This is a very unique log splitter. It's powered by these two relatively small 123 watt solar panels. The panels charge these four 6-volt golf cart batteries wired in series for 24 volts. The log splitter is powered by this 36-volt 1.5 horsepower DC motor. This motor, even when powered by 24 volts, is strong enough to get the job done. This is a surplus motor that likely had a home on a forklift at one time. The motor is direct coupled to a 2-stage hydraulic pump. The hydraulic fluid under pressure flows to the control valve and then to this USA-made heavy-duty 3.5-inch diameter cylinder with a stout 1 3/4-inch diameter piston rod. The cylinder is capable of withstanding a working pressure of 3,500 pounds per square inch, but the pressure is set at a relatively low 2,000 psi. This generates 9.6 tons of splitting force. The remaining components of this splitter are the oil filter and the 2.8-gallon tank. All hoses are a 1/2 inch inside diameter. All steel is from a scrap pile. The I-beam is 7 inches tall and has 3 5/8 inches wide flanges. The web thickness is 1/4 inch. This log splitter was designed for efficiency because one doesn't want to deplete all the energy in an off-grid solar system battery bank. The design goals have been met 100%, as we'll see in a minute. This isn't a very fast splitter, but it has more than enough power for the lodgepole pine and Douglas fir found in Montana. First, I'll show you how easily it splits this acorn squash. Just kidding. Actually, we're going to split this naughty 2x4. Now I'll show you a typical 8-inch diameter log. Notice how the ram slows down on the initial load and then speeds up when the log splits. Now this time, watch how many amps the motor pulls. The battery is 24 volts and you're going to see the amps peak at about 25. 24 times 25 equals 600 watts. Since 1 horsepower equals 746 watts, then the motor is drawing 0.8 of a horsepower. 600 divided by 746 equals 0.8. DC motors of this size are much more efficient than AC motors. This motor is about 80% efficient, so 600 watts times 80% equals 480 watts of power output. That equals slightly less than 2/3 of a horsepower. 480 divided by 746 equals 0.64. Thanks for watching. I've really got a lot of work to do.